Our team name.
Post it. Create it, share it, post it. Hi there, my name is Henry and I will be the application developer of this telecommunication themed application, tasked with translating the business idea into a feasible, usable and ultimately effective technical solution.
Good day, my name is Dylan, the application designer, tasked with finding ways to design and improve the system functionalities and goals in a logical way that will be possible to implement on a technical level.
Hi, I'm Christian. I'm the project manager responsible for binding the business together and finalizing the budget and schedule.
As we all know, marketing can be a very tedious and time-consuming process within any business and requires a good amount of labor and financial investment, and will be our choice for designing and implementing the most effective telecommunications app that we possibly can. An app unlike any other on the market, an app that we see as a necessity if you want to increase your business presence online and grow your customer base as quickly and as effectively as possible. As the system developer, I'm in charge of integrating the processes that will be executed by our app and making sure that it works fluently with little to no bugs or errors. The processes that will take place are as follows. The automation of sending out business advertisements to not just one, but several social media sites with just the click of a button. The system will evaluate certain social media groups and find the most relevant ones to post the advertisements to as well. The application will provide options in terms of which social media sites you want the advertisements to be posted to. Free social media sites will appear first, and sites that require payment will then follow. Each advertisement will include a link which, if clicked upon, will redirect the client to the business website. Problems that our app will look to solve. Each business department has its existing problems, and the marketing sector is no exception. I will now go on to list 2 examples of marketing-related problems and how our poster will look to solve them. Currently, the process of posting advertisements to social media is very tedious and time-consuming, as I mentioned earlier, in the sense that advertisements must be posted individually to each social media site. Post-it solves this problem by sending out the advertisements to social media sites of the user's choice simultaneously. Employees who work in the marketing sector will have to set aside time daily to create and publish their social media posts. With our proposed application, the employee can take one day out of the week to schedule the date and time on which the advertisement must be posted. Important information such as captions and photos can be specified within the app, and the advertisements will be posted automatically. This frees up the employees and gives them time to focus on other business ventures. My business associate and the system designer, Dylan, will now take over and explain the goals and the opportunities to improve.
The goals of the project. As the application designer, I will now explain the goals provided for our business application. Our application must improve the marketing process and make it as easy to advertise on all preferred social media platforms. Use advertisement information received from the user and give suggestions to make the best use of social media sites or outlets in that field. The application must achieve this on time and exactly as the user wants. The following points will explain the opportunities to improve the system. The application improves the presence of the users online over multiple forms and communications that will allow the marketing manager team to focus on actual advertising strategies. The application in place over time, it will learn which sites are best for what products you are posting about. Automatically, you will be able to post your products faster and have the ability to post as many people as possible. The system will allow the posts to be made on a schedule, allowing the user to set up posts on the advertisement on a specific time, making the users more functional. The functionalities. The app will include the following functionalities: the maintenance of the customer, the maintenance of the developer, the maintenance of the website, advertising on several platforms simultaneously, the redirecting of customers to the online business website when the customer clicks on the provided hyperlink, reporting, including the number of users that visited the store website, the monthly cost of the advertisement that use software that requires payment, a client report, the amount of users that viewed, liked and commented on the posted advertisement. My business associates will now explain the budget and schedule layout for our application.
I will now present the schedule and budget for this app. First, the schedule. When we look at the schedule, everything is going as planned, and so far all the target dates have been met. As soon as we are done with the requirements document, we can start with the fun part, the design of the app itself. I will now be going through the numbers of the budget. First, we look at the cost of the workforce. We are 3 people and we will be working 8 hours per day at an hourly rate of 400 Rand per hour. The app will take approximately 8 months to develop to full functionality. At the end of the 8 months, the salaries would be 512,000 Rand. Then there's the fact of electricity. We will be using approximately 71 units of electricity per week. The current price per unit is 71 cents. That makes it 100 Rand per week, and it would be 400 Rand per month. At the end of the 8 months, the total cost of the electricity would be 3,200 Rand. The total cost of the project would be 515,200 Rand. That is all from me, thank you.
If you want to let your business grow
And take your marketing to the next level.
Post-it is the app for you.